With that, we're going to close down for the, that concludes another Blue Marble Week, our third. Laila, it's all your show. Bill, thanks very much to you and your Space Force Association folks for helping out. This has been a great event, y'all. We're really grateful to have our numbers continually grow. We'll have some stats afterwards, and there will be some follow-ups. So appreciate everybody here. Thank you very much. I'm out. It's your show, Tim, Laila.
Thank you, Michael. I love that Lieutenant General Saltzman closed on this high note and reminded us that it is about people, right? This is all about people. I think we forget, we get very fixated on the technologies, and obviously that's, what it's going to take to get us to space. But one thing I've learned about talking to people in this industry is everyone is so almost nonsensically passionate about space. Like there's no rhyme or reason to it. And it is something that captures the imagination. It is something that's exciting. And getting people up there, I mean, that's an interesting thing. And I guess it is. It's all about people. So anyways, I'm Laila Gislason. I'm co-founder and Chief of Marketing and Development for the Foundation for the Future. Thank you everyone so much for joining. This has been another phenomenal event. High energy, great discussions in the chat. It's why we're here. It's, to talk about the things we're talking about and to get people excited. And I saw someone had mentioned something about making new friends today and making new contacts. And I love that. And so many conversations have come out of the post Blue Marble Week discussions, which has been great. And it's all moving our goals forward. And just to restate our goals, we're talking about near-term space infrastructure development through, we're educating, we're connecting, and this is all urgent, right? This is near Earth, near term, now. What can we do now to make sure that change happens in the next 5, 10, 15 years? Also, just to be a credible resource. I think we've had a phenomenal lineup of speakers, great resources. We're connecting, we're sharing ideas, and there aren't a lot of venues for that right now. So thank you all. This does take quite a bit of effort from our team. We're always looking for volunteers. We're looking for speakers. If you can share to your network of friends what we're doing, that's greatly appreciated. We share our content freely. You can find it. You'll be able to find video recordings on the LiftPort YouTube site, as well as the Blue Marble Week YouTube site. And please just keep coming. Next month, March 9th through 11th, we'll be talking about elevators, space elevators, lunar elevators, all kinds of elevators. So you can even register for that event now on bluemarbleweek.space. I'll drop that link in. Thank you again to Space Force Association for co-hosting and sponsoring. Again, we could not do this without great sponsors and partners, and Bill, you really stepped up. So thank you so much. If anyone is interested in co-sponsoring, hosting events in the future, I'll drop my information in the chat. Please reach out. I'd love to continue the conversation. There's a lot of great benefits to it. And again, thank you all for attending. Really appreciate it. And with that, I will kick it over to Tim.
Thanks, Laila. Thanks, Michael, Bill. This is once again highlights the strength of people coming together around an idea. And we like to tell people that at the foundation, we don't have all of the ideas, and those that we have mashed together and refined are not ours. We're just delivering them where they need to go. And so it is exciting to see the sort of passion and excitement that animates this community. And as Laila was saying, what you all see here on camera is probably a third of the impact, if not less, of these events. As I mentioned this morning, overnight, this sort of introductions and letters to representatives that were generated from this, the budding partnerships, Bill and Space Force emerged from a previous Blue Marble Week event where we partnered as a result of that. Offline, I talked with a number of you, including Anara at Galaxis, about how can we integrate the sort of people already excited about space, but may not be working it. Those that are passionately fans and excited about the potential of living and working in space. How can we engage that community to make the dreams real? And that's the sort of community we're trying to build and in turn then represent as we go forward to Congress. So again, thank you all for being here. If you're interested in partnering with us as we reach out to Congress, Laila dropped our contact info in the chat. Shoot us a note. Our government relations team has the sort of stock letter. You would be depressed at how little is actually required from a constituent to get a meeting. I routinely mail letters because that's the official transmittal method for Congress. And once I put it in the mail and say I've put it in the mail, I then can have a meeting. They don't have to receive it. It's a beautiful, arcane Pony Express style system that we have, but we work it and we use it and we'll go with it. So again, thank you and see you in March.